So here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. As you can see, we have two variables. First is a list, and then there's this empty string. And here we are running a while loop, then we are printing y and x, and then we are printing the type of x and y. So the correct output of this code is 5 to 3, then an empty list, and then this list and string. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we have to understand from this part while x. So while x means this loop is going to run 1, 2, 3 times. So first here y is equal to y plus x of minus 1. Here negative index start from here, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So first y will become y, which is empty string, plus x of minus 1, which is 5. So let me write x and y here separately. That will make it easy to understand. So here y becomes 5. Then we have x equal to x of colon and then len of x minus 1. So the len of x is 3 here, as you can see, and 3 minus 1 is 2. And this means 0. This is 3 and then minus 1. So x will become 0 to 2. That means it's going to be 3 and then there's 2. This becomes the new x. Now the next step, I will represent it with the green. In the next step, y is equal to y plus x colon minus 1. That means we have 5 plus x of minus 1. Last element is 2. That means here it will be 2. And again in the next step, x equal to colon len of x minus 1. Length of x is 2 here and 2 minus 1 is 1. So x will be from 0 to 1. That means x becomes 3. And then now we have the final loop, y equal to y plus x of colon minus 1. So here in the next step, let me write here y is equal to 5 2 plus 3. So here it will be 3. And then we have x equal to 0 of len of x 2 minus 1. So x equal to 0 2. That means the list will be empty in the next step. So we have got x as empty list and we have got y as 5 to 3. Let me write output here with purple. So when we print y, we get 5 to 3. And when we print x, we get empty list. And when we print type of x and y, type of x is list and type of y is a string. This is of x and this is of y, which explains the output.